So as we start working on these level 4 problems, I want you to notice the similarities between the level 3 and level 4 problems. The ones that we just finished in level 3 are all exponential equations that can be rewritten. Both sides of the equation can be rewritten with as a power of the same number. So in problem A, we had powers of 2. Problem B, we had powers of 3, and then back again in powers of 2 in problem C. And so all three of those problems can be rewritten as a power of the same number, like I said. So they would fit in this Punnett square in the top left category. So ultimately, you use some properties of exponents and properties of real numbers, and you kind of keep whittling it down until it looks like this in the top left box of the Punnett square. And now in level 4, we're going to see that we can't rewrite both sides of the equation as a power of the same number. So then we have to get the equations looking like this. Some number to the x equals some other number, like what we have here. And when we have that, we just convert the equation to log form. So here we have log base 2 of 5 is equal to x. And so we have just solved for x. X is by itself, and that's our ultimate goal when we're finding the solution of an equation. We just want to get the variable by itself. And some calculators allow you to type in a log with the specific base and then the argument, and then you can just type it in, hit enter, and you get an answer. Other calculators, like scientific calculators, you have to change the base in order for you to be able to arrive at a value. So changing the base would be you choose the base, and typically when you change the base, you're going to be changing it to base 10 or base e. And so if you were to type both of these expressions into a calculator, you would get the same exact value. ln of 5 over ln of 2, or log of 5 over log of 2, same exact value. And not sure what that is exactly, but if you typed it in, you would get the same exact value. So any one of these could be used as your ultimate answer as long as you get x by itself. And then same with this one over here. We have log base e. We have an exponential equation in which the bases on both sides cannot be written as a power of the same number. I said the bases, so the numbers on each side can't be written as the power of the same number, so we have to convert to logs. So we have log base e of 3 equals x, and really it's better to write it as ln of 3 is equal to x. I say better, but ultimately you want to get to the point where you're not needing to write log base e, and you're recognizing, I guess it is ultimately better because there will not be a key on your calculator that will be log base e. It'll say ln, and you have to know that that's the same thing. And finally, exercise C. We have to do a little bit of work before we get the equation in the form that we see here in the upper right hand corner of the Punnett square. We would just have to divide both sides by -4, which would give us e to the x is equal to 5, -20 divided by -4. And then we convert this to log form. ln of 5 log base e of 5 is equal to x. And there we have it.